back to my channel. I'm Tia. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. I do a lot of wig coaching, wig 101s, tips and tricks and all that kind of stuff. So if that's what you're looking for, you have found it. Today I have a very special video. I am collabing with UniWigs. And they sent me this, listen, I don't even have words. I mean, I have words, but whoo, I am so excited about this wig. So after I am done talking, you will see how I got her together. It wasn't too hard. There's a lot of ways that you can be wearing this wig. It came in this box. Unfortunately, the mailman decided to squish it, but you know what? They're tired, so I will give them a pass. It's going to come with this little booklet, which is very, very nice. Oh, this is an exchange card if you want to exchange it, which I do not. 2 wig caps, put that right down in here. And then it also comes with 2 different types of combs. Because there are no combs in this wig, there are adjustable straps. You will see the cap construction after I'm done talking, but there are 2 different types of combs that you could add in if you were to prefer to do that. From the little card, it looks like this girl's name is Anna. And she is in the color 12/26R. Yeah, 12/26R, which is a smoky sand color. Her name is Anna. Lace front monotop synthetic wig. Okay. And I will put all the information down below. Her cap size is 21.75 inches. And if you would like to purchase this wig or another wig from UniWigs, I do have a coupon code. It's TIA15. So I'll also put that on the screen and down below as well. I'll put all the deets down below. So let's get to this girl. First of all, I love this color. I am a sucker for an ashy blonde. I love this color. This is a very comfortable wig. I am wearing a wig grip because it didn't have any combs in it. It feels nice and snug. It doesn't feel like tight, but I'm not sure how large it would go. Again, if you're not wearing a wig grip, wig grips will make it a little tighter. So like I said, it's comfortable. I'm not feeling like it's too tight. So it's probably like a medium cap. Let's just look at her from the back real quick. This is my thing for short wigs. Does it sort of hug here so that it can look realistic? I like this, you know, ability to be full right there. Yeah, I like this. It is looking way shinier in my lights. It's definitely a little bit duller, and I also sprayed it with hairspray. It comes, like, the lace is only here, but all of this is customizable, so you can see, you know, you can see in there, there's lace, see right there? So you could sort of flip it any way you wanted. This is the way I wanted to flip it. I also think it looks super cute, sort of like clipped back like this. So you could do that as well. Yeah, just like a little clip backy, quickie. I mean, this is such a cute one. This is so cute. This is just like, I'm just going to start looking cute. Duh. So comfortable. It is really, really comfortable. It didn't, like I said, it didn't take me much to get together, but because it does have a free parting situation on it, you're just going to want to decide like how you want to wear it. And I could probably hairspray some of these flyaways, but I don't feel like it. Like, look how cute that is. It's like so cute. I'm dying for this wig. I love working with like new companies and discovering like new things. But yeah, I definitely think this is a great wig. I think especially with the cap construction, if you have any sensitive scalp issues, if you have hair protection issues that you're looking to address, if you're going through any type of treatment or alopecia, I think this would be a wonderful wig cap. It's very comfortable, and I think that it's, you know, it looks pretty natural. The hair texture is, it's silkier. It's not like a yaki or anything, but it's definitely like a realistic hair texture. I think especially if you are looking for something that is more of an option for a Caucasian or someone with, you know, finer, more silkier hair, this would be a great option for you. So yeah, I'm so excited to be working with UniWigs. Again, please look down below for all of the information, the name, the color, links to buy. Also, if you decide that you would love to purchase this wig, which I think you should, but that's your choice, then go ahead and please use the coupon code for 15% off. And I want to thank UniWigs so much for partnering with me. I'm just like, look, I can't even focus because I'm just like, oh, hey, cute, hey. I love this. I absolutely I love it. Yeah, so if there is another uni wig that you would like me to review, please put that down below. If you have this wig, Miss Anna, and you have some thoughts, please also put that down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!